Hi, my name is Klaus Kits. I've been known for many, many years in producing really high quality antler reproductions. And in recent years, we've now transcended into doing fish reproductions. And the concept was to develop something that people could view as a craft. This, of course, is a bluegill sunfish, but the product series is going to be called Klaus Kits. So it's a one piece, as you can see here. This comes out like so. This is all done with acrylics, very, very simple. What we've also done to make this project a little bit easier is we've made a video of this so you can look at the techniques that I use to paint this fish. If you so desire, you can follow this. Not only that, but you'll get a paint kit with all the colors that you would need. And we provide the paintbrushes when you're having a party, perhaps a birthday party or just a party to get your kids together and bring some of the neighbor kids over. We are offering party packs of 3 fish and party packs of 12. What we're doing here also is this embossed area, the fish itself, will be sold separately for those that want to just paint a fish. And the reason we want to do that is you could put a magnet on the back, stick it on your refrigerator as a holder, whatever you want to do. There's a collectability aspect to this. If you like this, there's so many species of fish that we can do. This is just our introduction piece, one that most people recognize, that being the bluegill.